30 years ago.
Yeah.
Can't remember that far back. You might need to ask 40 years ago. 40 years ago, I was a teenager. I was in the national gym squad in the UK. So lots of training, and there's some similarities now with some of the moves in capoeira, but obviously a much more decrepit body by this age. Nearly 60 to start a new sport is quite, one as demanding as this is quite a challenge. I just came to look at the class, and when I saw the masters taking the class, I just knew it was for me. It had the discipline of proper training, but with enormous amount of fun thrown in, and a bit of a Brazilian party atmosphere now and then. And they're incredible people. They're so welcoming. There's no judgment about them, and they take everybody from the most two left feet, can't bend person, and they sort of nudge them along, and you see everybody gets better. I came in it mainly to get fit, and I had no idea of all the other levels that it encompasses, like the camaraderie, the friendship, the music. So it's been a really amazing journey, and it's just addictive. So now I'm much fitter, and it's great fun. I can hope to keep continuing until I'm as old as Master Sombra.